हाय गाइस, वेलकम बैक टू माय चैनल। आज का वीडियो सच में बहुत स्पेशल है बिकॉज इट इज अबाउट माय डॉटर ईरा's birth. It's the birth vlog finally. When I was pregnant, I watched a lot of birth vlogs to get some idea of like क्या होता है, what really happens when you're giving birth. To give you a little bit of background, November 2022 I found out I was pregnant. 23rd July was my due date of the baby arriving. शशांक की मॉम आने वाली थी just 1 week before the due date, which was the week before 23rd July. और it's so weird that 2nd July को शशांक मुझे एक डेट पे लेके गया. He was like, I want to take you on a proper lunch date before we become 3 and I want to keep taking you next few weeks क्योंकि last के 2-3 weeks बचे थे. And just 2nd July was a Sunday and just उसके बाद वाले week everything started with a cramp and that same week Ira was born. I want to tell you that it has some emotional personal moments for anybody out watching there. आप अगर सिर्फ मेरे vlogs में interested हैं, आप इसलिए देख रहे हैं, thank you for watching it. Most importantly, if you are a mother to be, अगर आप pregnant हैं and somehow you have stumbled on this video, I want to tell you, mom, you got it. आप कर लोगे. There is a few things that I used to tell myself all the time and mind it कि जब मेरी बेटी का बर्थ हुआ तो मेरा ओनली एंड ओनली सपोर्टिंग पार्टनर मेरा हस्बैंड था. यहाँ पे कोई भी नहीं था. मेरी मॉम नहीं है और मेरी मदर इन लॉ के आने के पहले ही ईरा आ गई. शी वॉज इन अ रश. मेरे पास कोई मेंटल सपोर्ट नहीं था बहुत ज़्यादा. तो मैं अपने 2-3 अफर्मेशंस के वजह से इट वॉज ईजियर फॉर मी टू गो थ्रू द बर्थ जर्नी. To tell myself, because मैंने कहीं पढ़ा था कि my body is capable of doing this and this is nothing out of the odd that I'm doing. A lot of women have done it. With full appreciation that it is one of the hardest things you will do in your life, but it is magical and it's worth it. Second, I always thought कि मैं breathe करूँगी, मैं अपने brain को control करूँगी. The body will not control my mind, the mind will control my body. I was in a 4.5 days labor, so yes, my brain did control my body. And the final thing, जब आप वो birthing unit जाओगे या hospital जाओगे for birth, remember the best moment of your life is going to come. So try and like open your eyes and see it as much as possible. With no more delays, let me start the birth vlog.
ये हम लोग बहुत महीनों पहले देखे थे. एक फ्रेंड के लिए कुछ लेने गए थे तो मामाज एंड पापाज and we loved it and we just bought it.
I'm having my first set of cramps. शशांक मेरे को nail polish लगा रहा है जल्दी जल्दी so that my feet looks nice in the hospital. And we are cutting letters for the letter board so that we can write something cute on the felt letter board like hello world, I'm here or something like that. Second day of labor, I was still calm, breathing, but I was feeling very emotional because I couldn't stop thinking about my own mother. इस मोमेंट तक मुझे समझ आ गया था कि this is the real labor pain. The contraction pains were increasing every moment. Shashank suggested we go to the hospital with our hospital bags, car seat and everything. Maybe because now is the moment. अब baby आ रही है.
अंजना is ready. Oh, क्या हो गया बेटो? क्या हो गया? It's all good. Don't cry. Everything will be fine. Super.
डॉक्टर्स ने मुझे चेक किया. डायलेशन इनफ नहीं हुआ था तो उन लोगों ने सजेस्ट किया कि मैं एडमिट हो जाऊं. बट शशांक एंड आई टुक द डिसीजन कि हम घर जाके लेबर को प्रोग्रेस होने देंगे बिकॉज आई डिड नॉट वांट टू बी इन अ स्ट्रेसफुल एनवायरनमेंट. आई वांटेड द लेबर टू प्रोग्रेस इन अ पीसफुल प्लेस. दैट्स माय होम. नेक्स्ट इवनिंग तक मेरे कॉन्ट्रैक्शंस और बढ़ गए और बेबी का मूवमेंट भी बढ़ गया. आई कुड फील इट. सो वी रश्ड टू द हॉस्पिटल. As soon as I reached, my water broke. Something felt weird about baby's increased movements.
हम लोग को बर्थिंग यूनिट में शिफ्ट कर दिया है तो अब बेबी का हार्ट रेट चेक हो रहा है मॉनिटर पे और अंजना को अब रेगुलर कॉन्ट्रैक्शंस आ रहा है.
I was told that baby has passed meconium and she is uncomfortable inside, and I was given the option to go for emergency C-section and not wait for normal birth. It's in my core memory that two midwives were holding my hands and telling me it's gonna be alright, mum. My eyes were searching for Shashank ki scrubs पहन के वो कब अंदर आएगा, and I was shivering, still praying to God, oh God, please let my baby be alright, please let her come out and cry, and I was so emotional. My prayers were answered. My baby had arrived. She was healthy, she had all the toes and the fingers, and she was crying. And that cry is the best ever thing I have ever heard, we have ever heard. So Shashank is writing a message for NHS.
तो हम निकल रहे हैं अब। ये हमारा रूम था और हम इसको कार सीट में डाल के कार सीट अप्रूव करवा के निकल रहे हैं।
There she is going home. There mommy came sweating and panting. There she is going home. My front window's gone. मल्टीपल डेज का लेबर होने की वजह से मैं बहुत टायर्ड और स्लीप डिप्राइव्ड थी. I don't even remember this ride back home, but I was so glad I was going back home. घर आ गए हम. और शशांक हम लोग को उतारेगा एक एक कर.
फर्स्ट इज मदर.
शशांक just handled everything like a boss from this moment क्योंकि मेरे अंदर बिल्कुल एनर्जी नहीं था and he was literally doing everything in the house.
और हमारी बेबी for the first time in 2023.
Ring बोल रहा है there is a person at your front door. Yes, there is.
Welcome baby, welcome. Welcome to your humble abode. हम घर आ चुके हैं बेबी को लेके. बेबी सो रही है और बेबी की मम्मी भी सो रही है. बेसिकली अंजना करीब 4 दिन या 5 दिन से नहीं सोई है, तो उसको सोना बहुत ज़रूरी था. हॉस्पिटल के बाद आके उसको सुला दिए हैं एंड शी मतलब वो जो घोड़ा बेच के सोना बोलता है ना, वैसे वो सो रही है. हम रूम जा रहे आ रहे, सो कुछ फ़र्क नहीं पड़ रहा है. दिखाते हैं आपको. मेरी ऑक्सीटोसिन हो तुम.
Hey guys. I don't even know where to start. On the other side of parenthood. Finally that day when Shashank's mom also arrived.
हेलो.
And that's the whole birth story. After Ira's birth, I look at women with a very different perspective. I'm like, wow, everybody is so strong. All these moms जो हम बहुत ही normalized है society में. Wow, how have you guys done it? I have so much respect. Hats off to all the mothers. That was all about it. See you again. Please do not forget to like, share, subscribe.